Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So I have for you today this super easy eye look. It's sunset inspired and it literally only required 3 shades. So it's so easy, even a caveman could do it. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So today we're going to start off our eyes a tad bit different than usual. We're going to start on the lid instead of starting off with a transition color. So we're going to go into this yellow right here from the Morphs 35B palette, and we're going to be putting that all over our lid. So the reason that I wanted to put on this one shade on before any of the transition shades and all that stuff is because this yellow, I mean the whole palette isn't that pigmented, but this yellow especially, it only shows up on like a white base. So I wanted to be able to show up as much as possible. So I decided, hey, let me just do the lid color first, and then we'll follow along with the transition and all that good stuff, because the shades that I will be using there are a tad bit more pigmented. Like, I don't have to do them on a white base. I mean, this isn't really like a white base. I just have concealer on, but the concealer is a lot lighter than my skin tone, so it works.
And I'm just packing this color on.
So now I'm gonna go into this bright orange shade right here, and I'm going to blend that above the yellow we just applied on our lid. So I'm just blending it all over in rotating motions. Wow, this looks so much better on camera than it does in person. Like in person I can barely see the orange, but on camera it's like, hi, I'm orange, I'm here. I feel like I get on here and I barely talk to you guys. I'm sorry. Oh, but I just remembered I have some pretty good deals that I want to share with you guys. So do not fear, we will go back and blend this. So today's the 18th. Today, the Ulta Beauty 21 Days of Beauty event, whatever, started today. I mean, by the time I upload this, it'll probably be the 20th. But yeah, that started today. And I'm super excited because at the end of the month, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow List is gonna go on sale for $10.50. I think it's on the 31st. So I'm excited about that. Oh, Macy's is also having like a 15% off beauty. I don't know until when that's gonna be going on. I hope it's still going on by the time I upload this video, but check it out. Use the code VIP, save 15% off. So since we're working backwards here, I'm gonna go into this like peachy shade as my transition shade, and that's gonna go above the bright orange that we applied. So going back to talking about deals, do you guys use Ebates? Because I love Ebates. I love Ebates. So I'm sure you guys have heard about it by now, but it's like, so when you shop through Ebates, you get like a certain percent of cash back depending on like the store you're shopping at. For example, I placed a Sephora order a couple days ago, and your girl got $14.85 back, I think. I don't remember, but I think it's a good thing to keep in mind. So like, you get a % back every time that you shop online. I will have my code down below so that you guys can use it. So if the first time you use Ebates, you make a purchase that's at least $25, you'll get cash back by using my link, and I'll get cash back as well. And also, something new that I came across thanks to my friend Brittany, it's the Dosh app, where you refer people. They also have like discounts and stuff, and you get cash back if you use it to shop online, just like Ebates. But for this one, every time you link your card, you get $5, and if you refer someone else and they link their card, they get $5 as well. So I will leave my link for that below. If you want $5, you know, use my link. And if you want to help a girl out, use my link. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm broke. I ain't no influencer. I ain't got no money. Nobody's paying me to say this. It is not a scam. I'm telling you guys because I've used it firsthand. I hope you trust me. Alright. Enough sales talk. Now, I'm going to add more yellow. I actually did this look for work yesterday, and people complimented me. I felt so special.
So again, just patting it on.
I'm so excited for spring. I don't even like spring. I'm just sick and tired of this freaking snow and this cold. Like, I'll take spring over it because I'm just done. It snows every week. I'm tired of it. I was gonna say, I think I got a pimple on my eyelid, and I almost said potato. I got a potato on my eyelid. We're gonna blend some more with that transition shade. Again, if you do not have hooded eyelids, you don't have to bring the shades up as high as I do. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna put on these AliExpress lashes that I will list down below. You guys see how cute and easy our little sunset eyes were? Now, I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes with some Laura Mercier loose translucent setting powder. I'm also gonna set my smile lines and my forehead a bit. So I did most of my face off camera, but to add some color back into my skin, I'm gonna go into this Lancome Dual Finish Powder in the shade 420. So it's Fix Plus time. It honestly wouldn't be me if I didn't forget something every single video. So I just realized that I forgot to do my under eyes. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, under eyes. So I'm gonna go into this Rimmel London Scandaleyes eyeshadow stick, and this is the shade 005 Tempting Turquoise. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this on my waterline. I usually don't tug on my under eyelids, but to apply this, I do have to. I'm sorry if you guys can't see very well, but I need to see what I'm doing. So to set that, I'm gonna go into this Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to go into this turquoise shade right here. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go back into this 35B palette, and we're gonna put that bright orange on our under eye. If you wanted to, you could even skip the orange on the lower lash line and this look would still be super cute. So for now, we're going to do the tear duct, and we're going to be going into this shade right here, which you can't see very well, but it's like a shimmery yellow. I'm sorry. I don't have a professional camera. You'll see it when I put it on my tear duct. This is like the most pigmented shade in that, that's like the most pigmented shade in that entire palette. I almost forgot about our brown bone highlight because I'm always forgetting everything. I'm gonna go into the shade Glow Getter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. I love Nicole Guerriero. She's my favorite YouTuber. She's honestly the best. And this whole glow kit is just amazing. Ooh, and I heard she's coming out with something new with ABH, so I'm excited about that. I have no idea what it is, but I have like a feeling it's gonna be like eyeshadows. I don't know why. Hopefully we have a little Nicole Guerriero eyeshadow palette. So I'm finally gonna do my highlighter. I'm using the Amrezy and ABH highlighter. I'm gonna be super extra, and on top of that, I'm gonna go back into the ABH and Nicole Guerriero glow kit, and I'm gonna go into 143, which is like a bronzy gold, and I'm gonna put that over the over the Amrezy one, because why not? Also, excuse this freaking pimple. I'm gonna be using the Kylie Cosmetics Exposed Liquid Lipstick again. This peachy nude looks perfect with the eye colors. So that is it for this tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my other social medias, which will be listed down below, along with the Ebates and Dosh app. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload. And until next time.